Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm back with another Pacific Ghost review. In my past video about Phaedra, I had some mixed feelings about her, since I really love the design of that doll, but I did have a doll with some quality issues. Then after that I unboxed Simone, whose hair unfortunately did not have a proper part line. Once I receive the reroot hair and add that part line to her myself, I will do a full unboxing, review and makeover video for her. For now though, I really wanted to unbox Harper Dune because I really love that design a lot too, and I feel like she's going to be a lot of fun to restyle because of her neutral color palette. The box this doll came with is very similar to the one Phaedra came in, just with a different name tag. In this box, you can see the doll really clearly, as well as her bag, towel, and sunglasses. When pictures of Harper first came out, a lot of people, including myself, did compare Harper to Marissa, who I still need to finish my review of, because of their similar blonde hair color, skin tone, and golden makeup. However, in real life, you can see that Harper definitely has a darker skin tone and lighter hair, making them different enough for me to still be interested in buying Harper. The bottom of the box shows 3 of the girls in the Pacific Ghost line, including Harper herself, and it links you to YouTube, where you can find the Pacific Ghost episode now. And on the back of the box, it also shows you the group artwork for all of the characters in this line, except for Headmistress Paris Hilton. The box also explains you that Pacific Ghost is the most elite fine art school on the West Coast. From this lineup, I was most excited for Phaedra, Simone, and Harper, and I'm definitely skipping Bella because I don't feel like I need a second doll of her, and I'm actually also planning to skip Hallie since she does not have a part rooted in her hair, and for me, she is a bit too similar to Skylar, and I did actually get Margot at first, but decided to return her because I just didn't feel a connection with her. And at the price point of these Pacific Ghost dolls, which is quite expensive, I did not want to spend money on a doll that I didn't fully love. I'm honestly not sure yet about the boy doll, because I don't really gravitate to boy dolls, but I do love his outfit and accessories. Harper is a performance focus, as we could clearly tell from the episode.
Famous person on this show.
To get the doll unboxed, I cut away the tape on both sides of the box, as well as the bottom, and that way I was able to very clumsily open the back of the box. Now you can take out that little box that holds the accessories, and the doll in that separate box as well. On the back of that accessory box, you can find this little bag with her doll stand, as well as her alternative feet. And thankfully I'm already seeing 2 pointed toes. And I already checked for the doll, who comes wearing her 2 flat feet. So I'm really happy that I actually got the correct body parts for this one, unlike the situation we got with Phaedra. Cause yes, I'm still a little traumatized by that. I also really love the shade of her doll stand, since they went for this really pale yellow sand color, which fits Harper's design really well. There are also some instructions included about how to detach and reattach the legs and the shoes as well. Now I'm just going in with my scissors to carefully cut the doll away from the packaging, without cutting any hair or clothing. The box also comes with this comb that is pretty useless at first, because Harper's hair is full of gel and is completely stuck together. She does have a very nice amount of hair, and honestly, looking at her inbox, I expected that to be way thinner. There is a really nice texture going on, but I'm just not a fan of the crunch she has, so I will be washing her hair out fully. Harper is also wearing a fabric cap that is secured to her head with some plastic tags on both sides and in the back, and it has rainbow in black letters embroidered on it. I do think it's fun that they tried something different with the cap, making it fabric instead of the plastic caps we've seen before on Ruby and River. However, I just don't think the fabric works really well in the way it keeps the shape, and I would have preferred the front of the cap to actually stay more horizontal instead of facing down like this. After taking the hat off, I was so excited to see that Harper has a fully rooted and really neatly done middle part that also goes very far back. This part line also shows off her highlights really nicely, as she has some really light and some darker blonde pieces in there. The way the hair is laying right now is a little messy and going backwards because of that gap, so I cannot wait to wash out the hair and get those roots to lay a little flatter. I think that will frame her face much better. That has some really nice makeup going on. Harper has these very pretty dark eyebrows, golden and brown eye makeup, brown eyes with real lashes, and dark brown lips. I really like Harper's top, that is Burberry inspired, with this rainbow stripe on one side. That also continues in the back, and was also included in her cap. And the top simply velcros in the back. I also really like how similar this outfit is to the iconic Nicki Minaj outfit, with the same light blonde hair and Burberry outfit. Harper's wearing sand-colored shorts with this look that have some golden details and a golden RH dangle, and you can easily take that off with the velcro in the back to reveal her little bikini bottoms that match the top perfectly. It also says rainbow on the waistband, just like the top. The one difference is that the rainbow stripe does not continue on the back for the bottoms, and it does not have velcro. I do really like how this gives a very seamless and neat look. And I also love this bikini combination, and I think it's quite a shame to put those shorts back over it, and I might prefer to add a rainbow wraparound skirt or something like that. But on the other hand, these shorts do make the entire thing look way more like a regular wearable outfit, which I am a big fan of. Then for the shoes, Harper is wearing these flat sandals that have this plastic wrap around the ankles, as well as fabric ties that wrap around the entire feet. Taking them off was quite a challenge for me though. So for the second shoe, I decided to just pull out the entire leg. For a more detailed look on how the leg exchanging works, you can go to my Phaedra review. Then for accessories, we get this fabric beach bag, which again matches the pattern of the outfit and hat perfectly. But color-wise, the bag does hint to more of a yellow than the muted color of the hat. We also get these amazing sunglasses that are again in the same pattern, including the rainbow stripe. And on the side, you can also see that Pegasus again. That was on the hat too. On the doll, I think these look so incredibly cute. And then the towel we get for her is also in a very similar pattern, and it says rainbow all over. Before washing the hair, I dressed her in an outfit I don't mind getting wet, And right out of the box, there's absolutely no use in brushing the hair because it's so full of gel. That's why I fill up my sink with cold water to just loosen up the hair product. I try to really massage the hair in the water to dilute the gel as much as possible. Then when the hair starts feeling softer, I take my dull comb and brush out the entire hair, being really careful not to ruin that part line. That did leave a slightly wavy texture that was a little less defined than I was hoping for. I finally rinsed the hair out one last time to really get all of that gel out. After letting the hair dry naturally, you can see that her texture is quite messy if you leave it like this, but I feel like it is a pretty nice base for some fun curl and wavy styles. Which I obviously did, and I love the outcome. I am planning to do a tutorial soon on how to get these types of waves, so let me know if you'd be interested in that in the comments below. I really hope you like Harper as much as I do and the results of my restyle. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates every time I upload a new video. Then for more of my doll pictures, follow me on Instagram @thedollboy. See you next time!